Ensuring quality is a key aspect of pharmaceutical products. Drugs and medical devices are strictly regulated, and manufacturing is subject to specific guidelines published by the authorities. In the US, the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) has devised a concept called GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. The criteria of GMP are observed worldwide. A part of GMP is how to handle electronic records and electronic signatures. This area is regulated by the Code of Federal Regulations Title 21 Part 11 or 21 CFR Part 11 in short. It covers systems validation, audit trails, user management, ensuring an exact and consistent documentation, and especially data integrity. Both the ISPE and the PDA publish specific guidelines that explain how to meet these requirements. These guidelines also provide support for the implementation, assessment, and classification of computerized systems. They are considered best practices for electronic recording and electronic signatures. In the last few years, due to digitalization, the aspect of data integrity has become a focus topic. The FDA has updated their guidelines in that respect in 2013 and published a draft guidance in 2016. In Europe, the EMA, as well as local authorities, especially the British MHRA, have also published guidance documents. Siemens is a trusted partner for implementing these requirements in your GMP system.